the cat's in the cradle and the silver spoon. Little boy blue and the man on the moon. When you're coming home, Dad, I don't know when.
Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about the Peak bot. It is an options trading bot. I did talk about this last year, and then I switched it from Schwab to Tradier. The reason I switched is Schwab kept flagging the trades as pattern day trades when they weren't. Since then, I've been flagged again for pattern day trading on Schwab, even in my large account that should be allowed to pattern day trade. So I think it's a Schwab issue or a thinkorswim issue, not a trading issue. But I moved it over to Tradier to be a little bit more simple. I started with $5,000. I'm going to show you what setup I've been running, and I'm going to show you the results for the last 6 weeks or so. So this is the PeakBot dashboard, and I'll be honest, it's really easy. I do kind of want a set it and forget it options bot. I don't want to have to check it every day or every week necessarily. One of the things about Schwab is you do have to reconnect the API every week. So I have been running the Iron Condor. I either am running it on QQQ or SPY separately. I do have it paused, and this has been losing money. In my opinion, the trading on an Iron Condor in a volatile market isn't working. So I'm either going to switch to the trend spread or the wheel strategy. I'm going to do a little bit more research on them. I do also have access to the Iron Fly, which is on a demo or on a test. I haven't set it up yet. I have to read more about it before I actually get it working. So let's jump into my Tradier account and we will see the results. Okay, this is my Tradier account. I did start this with $5,000, as we can see here, January 13th. Trading started on the 17th of January, so we're just under 2 months in on this. And so far, the result is we're down. We were up a little bit of money, but we're down $205. Not a big amount of money to be worried about. What we're going to look at is the trades. Most of these are going to be on QQQ. I did test on Schwab SPY as well. It was kind of a 6-1, half dozen the other on that. But what you can see is it is making the trades. It's working the way it's supposed to. The problems with it, a couple of times when the options chain moves to a $5 per strike instead of one, this will open up larger positions because it's now a $500 loss instead of a $100 max loss on each leg. Now, theoretically, you're not going to lose each leg. You're going to lose one or the other. However, I have just been waiting and watching on this. And it just, the volatility, when you are making small amounts of money, 10, 20, $30 a day on this, and then it gets a whole week gets wiped out when you lose $100, that's when the issue happens. So overall, I am going to look, Peakbot does have a scanner that they use. I'm going to look at that and I'm going to pick either the wheel strategy, which they really recommend more than 5,000 to run it. And the reason is there's not a whole lot of quality stocks that you can run the wheel on under 5,000. It may be part of the reason I've not done as well as I wanted to with the wheel is I was picking less expensive stocks. And I think some of the better ones are a little bit more into that $100 to $200 range where you really need $10,000 or $20,000 to trade. So I am going to look at Peakbot again, and I will do another review in a month or two and maybe try and switch the strategies. If we get into a less active market where the indexes aren't fluctuating so much, I think I will come back because I really do want to run this Iron Condor. I like the concept of it. It just, the execution with this market volatility has not been working. Once again, this has been a short update on the Peak bot. I will do another one. I'm leaning towards the trend spread bot next to test, and I will do that probably in 1 month to 6 or 8 weeks. So do me a favor, if you want to see that, hit the subscribe button so you get notified, hit the like button, and let's all make lots of money. Let's all be healthy and let's all be safe out there.